On Monday, we showed you how the Erie Homes for Children and Adults are working to help people needing a routine.
And today, the tireless work of their employees was celebrated. Isaac Petcash traveled to EHCA to get a taste of how workers are being rewarded for their efforts. Hi, Isaac.
Amanda, thank you so much. It's not every day that you see three organizations combining to recognize one group of people, but that was exactly the case this afternoon. Now, earlier today, EHCA partnered with Red Letter Hospitality to donate 565 meals to their staff. The catering company prepared the meals and delivered them to EHCA's Move location on West 23rd Street, where employees enjoyed the lunches. Now, the money for this was donated by the Hammett Health Foundation, who contributed $20,000 to the EHCA. Some of that fund was used to ensure every worker had a meal. Now, the foundation knows how important essential workers are to the Erie community, especially during the pandemic, and wanted to give back to people who give their time and energy every single day.
These are the people that are on the front lines day in and day out, always, and their work hasn't stopped, so we just wanted to be able to recognize them.
Now, this story was supported by the Economic Hardship Reporting Project. Now, there are many essential organizations that must stay open no matter what, so it begs the question, how is it even possible right now? Well, coming up at 6, I'll tell you how nonprofits are being carried by workers who put fear aside to help people who need it most. Isaac Petcash, Erie News Now.